Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of stylish and practical eco-friendly shopping with the ROOTOTE Cotton Folding Eco Bag, the UE Roo-Shopper Portable Puppy and Neco Edition. This versatile bag is perfect for those who want to make a statement while reducing their environmental footprint, crafted from high-quality cotton that ensures durability and a soft touch. Its unique design features adorable puppy and cat prints, making it not just a bag, but a fashion accessory that adds a playful touch to your shopping trips. The bag is incredibly lightweight and folds down easily, allowing you to carry it in your purse or pocket, so you're always prepared for an impromptu shopping spree. With its spacious interior, it can hold a surprising amount of groceries or personal items, making it the ideal companion for errands, travel, or everyday use. Plus, the sturdy handles are designed for comfort, ensuring that even when fully loaded, you can carry it with ease. So, if you're looking for a blend of functionality, style, and eco-consciousness, the ROOTOTE Cotton Folding Eco Bag is your go-to solution for all your shopping needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.